Hola, mi nombre es Miguel y tengo una rosa para cada una de mis damas hoy en nuestra colaboración en el Rincón del Amor.
Love Corner, presented by CJ DIY. This playlist is full of lots of talented creators. Please watch each video and listen for the secret word for a chance to win a $50 Amazon card and a gift basket full of lots of goodies. To start this DIY, I have a wooden heart from DollarTree that's already been painted white. I'm gonna add a little bit of light mocha by Apple Barrel just to give it just a little bit of aging and make it look a little shabbier. Okay, next I have this lace ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and trim around the edge of my heart with my ribbon first before I add anything in the middle. So it doesn't get covered. Alright, I have my rub-on transfers that I want to fill in this area, and that's why I wanted to do my lace first so they wouldn't be covered by any of the lace. Okay, now I have pretty much everything cut out that I think I'm going to use and have them placed where I want to have them set. Okay, with all my rub-ons applied, I have some clay roses I think will look really nice. Maybe like that. I don't know. Maybe a cluster of 3. And I'm going to use Cameo Pink. And let this pink dry. Now I have Pure Gold by Folk Art. Okay, so I think I will arrange them like this, and I won't use this to hang it. I'll probably just hang something, a piece of twine from here. That way I can have a bow. And then using the same lace. Make a small ribbon, small bow. Good, so I pulled my roses up. I think it'll be better if the bow is here and then my roses can show. And I wanted to add a pearl accent to really give it a full shabby chic effect. And I had this bag of 250 pearl beads from Dollar Tree, and I ended up adding a cluster of 3 in between the roses and the lace bow.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local traffic...
And here it is, all complete. I really love these rub-on transfers. I hope Dollar Tree makes more of these French-inspired transfers. I'm so excited to be a part of this Love Corner collaboration with all these fantastically talented ladies and the marvelous Mr. Miguelito DIY. This was the brainchild of CJ DIY, who's so positive and uplifting to others. Please go show her channel some love. And of course, you have to know Mr. Miguelito. He's so supremely talented. And if you haven't, please go over and check out his channel. All right, I'm starting this out with a couple of tumbling tower blocks. I'm not sure how many I'm gonna need. I have these beautiful, like shabby chic stickers, and I love this one with the lovebirds. And I want to make a little backdrop for this. So I grabbed a few more and added them to the top, and I had a total of 8. So I would have a nice size backdrop for the sticker with those beautiful lovebirds. Okay, so to paint these up, I'm going to add a bit of mocha and a little bit of white apple barrel. With my paint all dry, I took my beautiful little sticker and placed it in the center to make sure I would have enough room to add a border with some of the Dollar Tree pearl wrap. And I just took the pearl wrap and I cut a single strand and hot glued that all the way around so I would have a nice border. And once I completed the pearl border, I hot glued a few tower blocks to the back so this would sit up on my tier tray, and that was it for this DIY. Really simple, but it's very pretty. A lot of the paper crafting items that Dollar Tree has are so beautiful. The images, they look just, the color is so vibrant, and it looks like they would cost more than $1. Well, no, they are more than $1. They're $1.25, but you know what I mean. I have tissue paper and different stamps and some different colored inks, and I love this writing that it looks like love letters. So I'm going to stamp up my tissue paper and then tear it and decoupage it on a couple of these LED candles from Dollar Tree. After all the stamping was complete and the ink was dry, I cut the paper into manageable strips, and then I applied those strips to the Mod Podged areas of the candles, and then I started making tears according to the different areas that I was Mod Podging. And I just continued using this Mod Podge and apply and tear method to complete both of my candles. So I'm going to seal them with a matte Mod Podge. Right, and now that all of that matte Mod Podge has dried, I'm going to wrap a bit of lace ribbon around each. So I'm going to add a single string of pearl wrap just to add another layer of shabby chic beauty. I think that is just perfect on top of this lace. And here they are, all complete, beautiful, shabby chic candles. And once they're turned on, they have a beautiful, romantic, flickering flame, just perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, so here's my secret word, Amor, A-M-O-R. Put that in the comment section so you'll be entered to win the $50 Amazon card and the wonderful gift basket. Don't forget to go to the playlist link in the description box and follow along and watch the other videos and listen for their secret words as well. Good luck, and I hope you have a wonderful day.